You're tuned in to Don't Planet Live Behind the Scenes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe and be a part of the team, you hear me?
If you in a 7-1, boy, make that bitch run. If you in a 7-2, make it do what it do. If you in a 7-3, see it slide like a G. If you...
What's good, fam? Another day, another video. What's going on? What's going on, fam? Another day above ground equals a beautiful day. Like I always say, you hear me? But what's good though, man? I hope everybody out there having a beautiful day. You feel me? A productive day. I know I am, man. I know y'all see behind me this beautiful blue 71. We about to get into that and check that out. Crazy thing about this 71, I'm sliding down 441. You feel me? I just got back into town. Let me get out the street because the car coming. But I just got back into town and I see this beautiful blue 71 sliding down 441. So I pull up on him and I'm like, yo, man, I said, bro, what's good, man? You gotta let your boy get that footage. So you're like, yeah, man, follow me. Feel me? We pulled up over here, so we about to get the footage of the blue 71. But anyway, man, shout out to y'all that's tuned in, man. Like I said, I hope everybody out there having a productive day. If you're new to the channel, watch the full video. If you like what you see, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell, select all, turn on the post notifications because you do not want to miss the content that we post. Because the content we post be fire, you hear me? And on top of that, we giving away a 1973 two-door hardtop, very solid starter Donk. You feel me? That's what I just said. We giving it away. So you don't want to miss the content because we do post more information about the giveaway. You feel me? So just stay tuned to the content. If you want to enter the giveaway, we giving it away once we hit 200,000 subscribers. All you got to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to Don't Planet YouTube channel. Click that notification bell, select all, and you feel me? Turn on the select all to turn on notifications because part of the requirement is watching and commenting on videos on Don't Planet YouTube channel. So you must have the notifications on so you can go comment on the videos. You feel me? You have the notifications on. You'll see when we post videos. You'll be able to go watch and comment. That's definitely a part of the giveaway. That's definitely part of the requirements. Also, you got to spread the word and tell everybody you know that like Donks about the Don't Planet Don't giveaway. You feel me? But anyway, man, I'm eager to see this blue 71. Let's jump into action. Let's see what's going on. Here you go right here, fam. See what's going on, man. Blue 71. What's good, man? What's good? You can turn it off for us real quick, though? Man, we appreciate you doing this video with us, man. We appreciate you. You know, we seen this beautiful blue 71 sliding down 441. We had to stop you. You feel me? You feel me? We had to stop you and get this footage for you because, like, people want to see this type of stuff, man. You know, we won't see it. How long you had this car?
About a year, so.
About a year?
That's the shit.
Damn, I ain't never seen this on the road.
Shit be in the cut.
Be in the cut?
Yeah, I be riding the Porsche, you know.
You be in the Porsche? Okay, that's what's up, man. Yeah, man, we about to go ahead and I know you say you don't really want to be on camera like that, so.
Man, yeah.
All right.
I don't do no camera, you know.
I feel you. But fam, y'all see it, man. He said he had about a year, a little bit over a year. 71 vert. That what? He said that Z shit, man. That's called it. What we gonna call it? That Z shit 71, man. What we gonna call it? That Z shit 71. Tell them people, man, what that Z shit mean, man.
Man, that's so, man. You tripping, man.
Zo.
Like 1804.
1804, man. You know some people out there might not know, man. You feel me? That Z shit, that's that Zo shit, man. You already know. But yeah, fam, we had to pull him over and come get footage of this because we never seen this car before. We never seen this car before, so pulled him over. Shout out to homie, you feel me? You go by what? What's your name?
They call me Scott the Kid.
Scott the Kid, man. Shout out to Scott the Kid. Got a beautiful 71. We gotta walk around this thing slow, fam. This thing right here looking mighty good right now. Y'all drop them comments and let me know what y'all think, man. Sitting on 26-inch wheels. 26s, right?
Yeah.
26s. Squatted. Yeah, you already know, boy. I gotta show them that, boy. That's the first time I seen something like that.
Reverse camera, reverse.
Reverse camera on there.
Hold on.
Oh man, that thing there spinning, sitting on them sixes, spinning cap, floating cap. Yes, sir. Man, y'all see what's going on, man. Beautiful 71. Down here on a Sunday, Miami, Florida. That Z shit 71, man. Y'all drop them comments, let me know what y'all think. This is a very beautiful car. Like I said, I've never seen this car before. I might have seen this car once, I'm not sure. Feel me? Let's take a look on the inside real quick. Hey fam, I see you got that Zooty right there, fool.
Hold on, let me go ahead and get that. You already know.
Okay. For people out there that don't know what Zooty mean, man, Zooty is tool in Creole, man.
You know a nigga gotta ride with it, you know, in case a nigga gotta bust a nigga heel.
Fam, look at this big screen radio. No, it's not an iPad. It's not an iPad.
No, baby. Nah, it's just a big screen.
Just a big screen. Oh! This is dope.
Come on, baby. Listen.
Man.
Reverse camera now. Touch screen. Come on, man. Stop.
Oh, man.
Stop it.
The music ain't gonna come on, right? We don't want to get hit with copyright infringement. Okay. Okay. Nice. Fam, this radio is dope. I definitely got looking to get one of these for my Donk. Man, that's nice. Upgraded dash.
Reverse cam.
Reverse camera, you say you got back there and everything, man. Match your steering wheel. Seats crispy. Look at the carpet, man. Foy, man. Foy. Details, fam. It's all about the details. It's all about the details, man. And the doors closed good. All that, man. Man, this car here nice. I like it. Oh, and don't forget about the I keep forgetting the name of these things, fam, but y'all know what I'm talking about. The middle molding, matching the color of the convertible top. Belt line molding, that's the name of it. The belt line molding match the convertible top. Fam, this one here is nice, man. Y'all already know, man. Top of the line, man. You feel me? Most sought after Donk right now, that's 71. Can't beat it with a baseball bat. All the pieces on there, all the trim, you feel me? All the trim, man. Drop them comments, let me know what y'all think, man. We need them comments. Yes, sir. And you say you're not even done with this car yet, right? It look good and it's still not done yet. Well, I can't wait to see when you finally finish with whatever it is, whatever other upgrades you're gonna do. I can't wait to see them.
Gonna have to see. Streets gonna have to see.
The streets gonna have to see. Y'all heard them. But yeah, man, this that Z shit. 71 vert. Sitting on 26s, squatted, all that. I like this car. I like this car. Yeah, that bird's eye view. Bird's eye view right here. Yes, sir. I love it. Like I said, man, I love it. Shout out to the DPF out there. I want to know what y'all think of it. Y'all drop them comments. Like he said, he barely drive this car. He had this car more than a year, he said, and he barely drive it. I think I might have seen this car one time or a couple times before, but this car is so rare. This car is not out there like that, so you feel me? It's like I can't even remember when the last time I seen it, but I believe I've seen this car before. Okay, go right here, fam. Little footage with the top down, man. Y'all see what's going on. With the boot on there, ooh! With the boot on there. Yes, sir. With the boot on there. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Little overhead view, man. That thing look good with the top down, fam. Y'all drop them comments. Let me know what y'all think. But yeah, fam, y'all see what's going on, man. Shout out to the homie Scott the Kid with the blue 71, very beautiful car. Like I said, we called him Sliding 441. He ain't have to stop and let us get that footage, but he did, you feel me, man? We appreciate that, man. So yeah, man, y'all see what's going on, man. Very nice car. Y'all already know what to do. Drop them comments. And until next time, keep it locked right here. Don't Plan It Live behind the scenes, you hear me? Woo.